Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to get the new melee in Sailor Piece. Before starting this video, I am announcing a giveaway of this set to one winner who comments on this video. This time, I will make a post while giving it to the winner so that you all can know it is legit. Giveaway will happen at 25 likes. Now, let's start this video. First of all, you need to come to the World 2 Starter Island. Then come over to this NPC right over here and start the quest. After taking the quest, you have to find 6 blood flowers all around C2. The first one is located on the same island, just behind this mountain. The second one is located on the Bazaar Island. The third one is located on Punch Island, right behind this building. The fourth one is on the World Tree Island. Go down and go behind the Artifacts NPC. There you will find the flower behind a tree. The fifth one is on Blue Planet. Just go behind the area where the boss spawns, and you will find it there. The sixth and the final flower is located on the Slayer Island. This one is hidden, so it is a bit tricky to find. Just follow my steps exactly, and you will get it. Now that you have completed the quest, the new island will be unlocked for you, and the new boss is also located there. To summon this boss, you need Reaper Keys, which are a rare drop from NPCs located on this island. So to get the new boss, you basically have to farm these NPCs over here until you have enough keys to get the melee. After you have obtained the material and the title, you can find the merchant over here. You need the One-Eyed King title, 20 black shards, 65,000 gems, 12 Reaper Remnant, 5 Rinkaku Core, and 2 Ghoul Essence. So that is your basic grind for this boss. You can complete his F move mastery over here.
So that's it for today's video. Comment down below if you have any issues.